Communication Media Technology. The Communication Media Technology program will introduce students to the art and science of digital multimedia technology. Students will learn several types of hardware, software, and the equipment necessary for creating videos, movies, and commercials for TV and radio. As a student in the program, you will be using the latest video cameras, software, and computers. You will be able to work in BCTC's high-definition television studio, which includes a control room, an audio production suite, and a voiceover booth. Students will start by learning the basics of audio-video production that will include lighting, camera operation, script writing, and audio production. Students will advance into television production and have the opportunity to actually develop their own TV shows. This program will help you become a film and video producer or director, a video camera operator, or a film and video editor, just to name a few exciting career possibilities. Additional education can lead to opportunities as a communications manager, corporate media manager, or multimedia designer.